Jai Hind everyone, myself Prakshi Fogat, and I have recently been recommended from 1AFSP Dehradun for NDA 155 course. One of the major turning points throughout my preparation for SSB was joining the Olive Greens Institute at Chandigarh. One of the points which I would like to highlight about the institute was, which I found unique, was that they not focused on giving proper and standardized answers to the problems. They gave us a chance to introspect, to find all other ways which can be seen through to solve the problem, and also they gave us a scope to become self-aware about the topic. Talking about the psych part, Colonel Hitesh Chopra sir helped me a lot. He gave feedbacks. He gave regular feedbacks about the performance and also what was the scope for improvement in the same. About GTO, Colonel Ashokan sir, Colonel Katoria sir, and Colonel DJ Chehel sir. All of them helped me a lot, as that was the first time I saw the Fatta in Balli, so I got to know the appropriate use for them. And also for the interview part, Madan sir took my interview and he told me about what all portions were there on which I need to work upon, what all parts were there on which I need to improve my knowledge on, and also gave a scope for self-improvement and introspection about the same. My experience at the institute was absolutely thrilling and supportive, and all the classes and sessions were so structured that we were able to track our performance and also the improvements which we have made on. I made a lot of new friends there and we are still in touch. We are guiding each other, supporting each other. And to all the future SSB aspirants, I will just suggest that be true to yourself, be honest while giving your SSB, and do not forget to enjoy the process, as it is just a part of life. Enjoy the process and you will sail through and make it to recommendation. Thank you.